Hi everyone, it's Rita from Miss Rita to the Rescue. This morning we went over how to make this card with this really intricate lace doily. And I wanted to, because it came up, does the Joy or, and can you also make these doilies on, say, the Air, the Explore Air, or on the Maker? And yes, absolutely they can do. All three machines can do the intricate cutting of a doily. For the Maker and for the Explore machines, there is a very special setting. It's a custom setting. It's called Cardstock for intricate cuts. But on the Joy, there is no setting specific to that. I just wanted to show you, though, that the Joy is most capable of handling these very intricate cuts. And it's really just, it's kind of fun to sit there and watch the machine go through and cut these out. And it creates such a beautiful piece, and here is what it looks like. And you know, I'm going to continue to make some of these intricate things so you can see them, but this is a perfect application for the Joy and also for the other machines. I'm going to also be adding my file, this file. I call them my mix and match greeting cards, but it allows you to make these cherry blossoms with the leaf and the doily, as well as these tags that have different sayings on them. I cut this out of a piece of 12 by 12 cardstock that I first trimmed to 8.5 by 11 inch size. So I basically trimmed an inch off of one side, flipped the page, and then trimmed it the other side to 8.5 inches, and then I cut the paper in half to make two cards out of a 12 by 12, and this is an A2 size. So I want to just show you how beautifully this comes out on the Cricut Joy. And I bend my mat, by the way. Bend the mat, never the material, and then just peel it off, and that's it. Isn't it beautiful? You know, you might have a few little pieces that are cut out, but they just haven't lifted from the mat, and so you have to clean them off with your fingers, or you can also poke it. If for the little pieces, you might have to poke it with like a weeding tool or whatever. But that is how you make this sort of doily effect, intricate cuts with your Cricut Joy. Thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Rita. This is my channel, Miss Rita to the Rescue. I'm so glad that you could join me for this little video, and I'd love it if you could follow me on Facebook and or subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Miss Rita to the Rescue. Thanks so much. We'll see you again really soon.